So we are staying in Miami, and this is our hotel room. It's a really large hotel room. It is a Hampton by Hilton. So as you walk into the room, on your left hand side you've got the bathroom. It is a really long bathroom. So you've got toiletries here, you've got your sink, a large mirror, loads of towels, and down below you've got a hairdryer in here. And then you've got some spare toilet roll in that one. Just a standard toilet. And the shower is absolutely huge. So this is the shower. And that's two big glass sliding doors there, and some hooks here to hang towels or clothes on. If you close this sliding door here, which is also a full-length mirror, it gives you access to this closet area, which inside has your safe, spare duvet, iron with ironing board, luggage rack, and some hangers there. Then the bedroom is really large as well. So you have these two like seats here. There's a large bed, I believe it's a king-size bed, and two lights either side. This lovely chair with a table, and on the other side you've got a TV, got your coffee maker in there, some storage areas in here, and just a mini fridge in there as well. That's quite large. You've also got this desk area with another chair and a big mirror. The view from outside, we are on level 3, so we have got a view of another building. I imagine the view would be lovely though if you are up higher, because Miami Beach is just over there. And that is our room.